The time has come that we must further open up St. Eustatius. Why, you may ask? Firstly, the economic support packages and the social relief packages from the Dutch ministries ended per October 1st, 2021. These packages were provided to help local entrepreneurs overcome the far-reaching consequences of the COVID-19 pandemic, which would have otherwise caused a huge loss of income. By not having these support packages in place anymore, we need to help the local businesses to get back to business as usual. We see this in the world all around us. This requires that we set in motion a plan that will help us to further balance economic activity and while carefully managing public health. The only way that we can do this is by further opening up St. Eustatius. We must recover the economy and the tourism sector in particular as quickly as possible to avoid economic crisis in the medium and long term. Another reason to open up and thus adjust our strategy is that our current entry policy is a barrier for returning tourism and business. It is also a barrier for off-island trips, for stations, for medical treatment, for business and leisure. The impact on our economy and our social life is simply too high, and we cannot afford this any longer.